Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Tributes pour in for Boom Dandimite, who died on Sunday. Now, according to close sources, the former Scaredem crew member died in a U.S. hospital. He left the island on Friday. However, he developed some medical complications after exiting the airplane, where he was rushed to a hospital. Boom Dandimite was recovering from a horrific accident in April that left him bedridden. Real name Herman Donovan Stewart, the artist was gearing up to perform in Reggae Sumfest as part of the Boombox 90s Badness set. He was a founding member of the 90s dancehall group Scaredem Crew, along with Nitty Kochi, Harry Toddler, and Elephant Man. They produced many hits such as Many Many and Pure Gal. E-Prime sends condolences to the family and friends. Now, Dexter Daps and Elaine, Setia, turn heads. Elaine, who was moved into gospel, had fans in a frenzy with the release of a lost track with the owner singer Dexter Daps. The sultry single released on Friday is already number 11 trending on YouTube. Elaine this month on Best Gospel Artist at Irama Awards. Shaggy sends his congratulations to Sting. In a lengthy post over the weekend, Shaggy congratulated his brother as he called him on being the recipient of the prestigious fellowship at the Ivor Academy Awards, which took place in London on Thursday. Now, in the post, Shaggy said, quote, "It is their biggest honor. Sting has sold well over 100 million records and is a master at his craft. I want to say a big congratulations on the recognition. Couldn't have happened to a more kinder, generous, down-to-earth and loving human being. You're the truth, my brother. Keep it up." End quote. Shaggy and Sting won the Grammy for their 2020 collaborative album 44876. Now, Bruno Mars gets the 7-year itch. The Mario US pop star is gearing up to release his first solo album in over 7 years, much to the delight of his fans. According to Music Insiders, the hitmaker has been busy working on his follow-up to 2016's 24K Magic and is set to be in early talks for a huge tour next year, adding that Mars has taken some time away to develop a new look and sound following the success of his last few projects. Now, in 2021, Bruno formed the R&B super duo Silk Sonic with fellow American rapper and producer Anderson .Paak. Their debut album, An Evening with Silk Sonic, went on to win 4 Grammys. Tomorrow, though, people, head out to Emancipation Park for the National Labor Day Praise and Worship Concert. It features Minister Kevin Downswell, Jay Kingston, Richie Stephens, Minister Kukudu, and others. Also, watch it right here on TVJ starting at 7 o'clock. Labor Day is being commemorated under the theme Plant a Tree for Life, promoting climate change mitigation, food security, and road safety. So please, plant a tree tomorrow. And after that too. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.